In this lecture, we're going to show how we can edit our sheet. We have here some information about our sheet. For example, title, drawing number, size, scale, comments, name, date, material, and so on. And now, as we see, we can approach to this. We can change this. To approach to this, we have to right click here and go edit sheet format. And now automatically our views disappear. But now we can access and change those information. If we want to add title, just double click here. And we can add title part. If you designate this, you can change your style here. For example, going with something else, you can change the size, you can bold it, and so on. And now let's click OK. If you want to change this drawing number, the same thing. Double click, and we can put number 2, for example. And this is how you can change size, scale, weight, and so on. If you want to add some comment, you can't just double click here. You have to go to annotation, note, choose note, click here, and then add a comment here. Comment and OK. The same thing is with name. You can't double click here. You have to go here and then put a name here. Name. You can make it smaller like this, and we can drag this inside the box. Okay. And this is how you can change and add information on your drawing sheet. If you want to go back, just right click on it and edit sheet. And now your views are back and changes are applied.